don't go to sleep so fast. What am I talking about? Have you ever been using your phone to maybe compose an email, and you stare off into the distance for a moment to compose your thoughts, and the next time you look back at your phone, it's black. It's gone to sleep. There's a setting for that. And I guarantee you, if your setting is set to go to sleep after 15 seconds of inactivity, you are being annoyed by your phone all the time for it going to sleep so fast. So let's look at that setting. iPhone. Settings. And it's under display and brightness because it has to do with the display. The display goes black when it goes to sleep. And in the iPhone, it's called auto lock. So when it goes dark, it's locked. Auto lock. And here, if you have 30 seconds, it is annoying. But if you have 5 minutes or never, then your battery is dying quickly because the more your screen is on, the more battery you use. So either 1 or 2 minutes is what I like to leave it at. And on the Android, very similar, just some different words. I go into settings. It's still under display, ignoring your settings. There's display, and on the Samsung anyway, the feature is called screen timeout. So if you don't touch the screen for 15 seconds to 10 minutes, it will go black. Once again, I like either 1 or 2 minutes. And hopefully your phone won't be so annoying then. Or it'll be annoying for other reasons.